In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get delivery from Amazon Australia 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shop on the Australian site, choose the right delivery option, and track your order with confidence. First, make sure you're on the correct site. Head to amazon.com.au and sign in. Being on the Australian domain is important because it shows local sellers, local shipping options, and Australian delivery timeframes. Signing in also makes the checkout smoother since your saved addresses and payment methods will be available. Next, set your delivery postcode. At the top left of the page, enter your Australian postcode. This tells Amazon where you are, so it can show what's in stock near you and provide accurate delivery dates before you even add anything to your cart. If you're shopping for someone else, use their postcode for the most precise estimates. You can always change it at checkout if needed. Now search for what you want. Type your item, like rice cooker, into the search bar. On the results page, look for badges such as Prime or Free Delivery, which indicate faster or no-cost shipping on eligible orders. Click into a product to double-check it ships to your postcode, review delivery estimates, and choose any options like size or color. When you're happy, click Add to Cart. Open your cart to review the items, then select Proceed to Checkout. This takes you to the address and payment steps, where you can still make changes if needed. For the delivery address, you can select your residential address or choose Search for a pickup point to find a nearby Amazon locker. Lockers are great if you won't be home. They're secure and typically available for pickup over extended hours. Search by suburb or postcode, select the location that's convenient for you, and confirm. Choose your payment method next. You can pay with a credit or debit card, Pay to, or Afterpay on eligible orders. Pay to lets you authorize payment through your bank's app, while Afterpay allows installment payments when available. Make sure your billing details are correct, review the total, and then click Place your order. You'll see a confirmation page and also receive an email with your order details. To track your parcel, go to your orders. You'll see real-time updates from carriers like Australia Post or Amazon Logistics, including the tracking number and the estimated delivery date. If you chose a locker, look out for the pickup code once it's ready. And that's it. Set your postcode, add your item, choose the best delivery option, pay securely, and track it all from your orders. Happy shopping!